Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sylvia Onu.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sylvia Onu. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much, but please don't make it your last. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are the best. So guys, this video is a special video because this video is proudly sponsored by Yolissa hair or Yolissa, anyone. So I love this brand. Honestly, I love this brand. I've been planning, in fact I had it in my bucket list that I'm going to work with this brand, but I didn't know that it would be this soon. Luckily for me, they reached out to me. They were like, we want you to review our hair, and that is what I am here to do. Guys, I'm going to give you an honest review. You know me, I'm never going to lie. I'll tell you the truth about this hair. I'll tell you what I feel about the hair. Okay, I've seen it, but I did not really look into the hair. Okay, I did not even bring it out. I just touched it and I love it already, but I've not seen it properly because I've not had time. I'm not joking. Today is actually my birthday and I'm getting ready for my birthday dinner, and I decided to come here to give you guys my honest review about this hair. Then I'll get dressed. I'm dressed. Okay, this is my birthday dress. Then I'll wear my hair and off we go. Definitely I'm going to carry you guys along, but this is not why we are here. We are here to see what we have here. So let me start by unboxing. Yeah, so when you unbox, the first thing in the package is actually the hair, but let's keep that one aside because we have some goodies here. So many things. So let me show you these ones first. So the first thing that we have here is eyelashes, 3D eyelashes. And we have this headband. This is going to help you secure your wig. The next thing we have here is a styling comb for you to style your edges. And wig cap, we have 2 wig caps, okay? HD wig cap. The next thing we have here is a scarf. This is a satin scarf that is also going to help you lay your edges if you want to lay it. Your tight after applying everything that you've applied. And then we have a satin bag for you to store your wigs in it. See it has the name of the company here. It has the details of the company. So guys, this is actually a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It is a water wave and is in 24 inches. Guys, let's see if it's true to length. You know me, I'm always going to say the truth. Oh my, it's actually long. Guys, it's long. It is long. Can you see that? 24 inches. It is long for a 24 inches because it's a coily. Oh my god. Guys, this is my hair. Oh, I actually brought so many things that I will be using to style this hair, but I'm just realizing that it won't be needed. It won't be needed because this is beautiful. I don't even need to apply anything on this hair. This is ready to go wig. Like, you just wear it and you go, honestly. And it's full. They said 250 density. This is actually full. This is full. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So it came bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled. The only thing is the lace was not cut. I can do that. That is not a big deal. I can do that right now. But guys, believe me, this is actually the best. It is so soft. It feels so soft in my hand, like the softest hair I've ever touched. I'm not joking, I'm not lying. And it's not falling off. It is not. It is not. I'm actually combing it out. Oh my god. Oh my, I don't even need to comb it out. I'm going to rock it like this. So guys, it came with this adjustable band that you can use to secure your wig. It came with the combs. Yeah, it came with 3 combs, 1 at the back, 2 at the side, and it also came with this band too, so this wig is secure. It won't move. I'm just going to cut the lace. I'm done cutting the lace. Let me wear it so I will be giving scalp. Okay, that's it. So guys, this is it. I'm done wearing it. See, I did not do anything. Like, I did not even use the combs, and it's already giving scalp. There is no glue. You guys saw everything. Let me lift it for you. This is it. There is no glue, and this thing is this flat. It is this flat. See it? No glue, nothing. Is this flat. This is where I go. This is every girl's dream. Like, nobody wants to be stressed. Nobody wants to sit down doing all the gluing and tying everything, making it secure and all these things. This hair is just the truth. The length is the truth, guys. See the length. I'm a tall girl. This is almost on my, you know where. This is true to length. It is secured. It's giving scalp, and everything about this hair is giving me life. God, guys, can you see the hair now? See the hair. Okay, in fact, I'm going to do one thing. Let me wet one side so you guys will see what it would look like if it's wet. But for me, I'm going out and I want it full because it's my birthday today. I don't want to look calm. I want to look, you understand? I'm not doing this because it is needed. I'm just doing this just to do something to the hair. The hair came ready. This is the kind of hair that you just put on and off you go. It doesn't need anything. It just needs you to just wear it and go. It doesn't need anything. I'm just doing this because I love to do it. That's why I'm doing it, okay? So guys, this is it. I've used the hot comb and this is what we have. I love this hair. I can't stop looking at myself at the viewfinder. And one thing I love about it is the fact that I've been running my hand and I've not brought a single strand out. I don't know. Honestly, I know at some point I'm going to get at least some shed. Okay, yeah. I have now. I have. Here it is. I don't know if you can see it here. I've brought some hair out, and the truth is every hair sheds, even your natural hair sheds. But the problem is if it's shedding too much, and this one I've been running my fingers through it. In fact, let me say I was even forcing it before that one came out. This hair, it doesn't really shed. In fact, it doesn't. That one that I brought out, it was bound to happen, and I will always be honest with you guys. And this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So to order for this hair, everything you need is in the description box, guys. Everything. When I say everything, the link, their phone number, their social media handles, everything is in the description box. Go there and get it for yourself, okay? I love this. I love this, guys. I love this. Honestly, I love this. This is just perfect.
So guys, this is me trying to show you what the hair looks like when it's wet. So because I decided that I will be showing you what it will look like when it's wet, I decided to wear it every day since the day that I got it. Whenever I'm going out, I'll just put it on, and I've not brushed it. I've not done anything to it because I wanted to show you exactly what it looks like when it's wet. So this is me spraying water on it generously. I sprayed enough water on it. Like, I was so generous with my water, and I decided to comb it out with my hands first before going in with a detangling comb. This is exactly how I do it. I'll first of all detangle with my fingers before I will go in with a detangling comb. And guys, trust me when I tell you that once you put your comb on, this is going straight. It is going straight. This is the softest hair that I've touched. I'm not exaggerating. So this is it. I use my finger to touch it once more. Guys, this hair is perfect. This is exactly what it looks like from the roots to the tip.
So I'll be ending this video here, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much. But please don't make it your last. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are the best. I'll see you guys in my next one.